Good morning, Padmaka, Ocean team, and my dear friends. I'm here today to talk about being the hero of the week. Thank you, everybody who has been with me for this journey. Let me start off that actual hero of my life is Rishi Raj Mahi, my son. Now, the whole equation changed when Rishi met Nasib BR. He told me that his hero was Nasib BR, and he also suggested that I have to learn a lot of new lessons from him. Akka, it was very difficult in the initial stage. As you know, about the negative sides that I have, I found it very difficult to learn network marketing. And I ran away, as everybody knows, putting it in between and not being active. It's then that Rishi told me, Amma, I think you have to go back to Nasib and learn two lessons. One is money making and the other is handling negative people. I came back just for my hero, Rishi Raj Mahi, and I'm happy that today I have another hero, Nasib BR, who has made me a hero back in front of my son. And what do I call that? Is it not magic? Is it not a blessing? Okay, that's the philosophical part of being a hero. And Nasib BR, thank you so much. You are the second hero of my life. Second, let me come to the professional point of being the hero of the week. Definitely, I wouldn't make it a hero of the week without the support of Nasibika and Vishnu. I can't specifically tell what they do for me because they do anything that is required in a current time space setting, which is the greatest quality of a leader. And I admire the presence of mind that Nasibika has with time space setting. Now, coming to my team, the greatest contribution for being the hero of the week is Nasib BR. He just walked up to me and said that, Priya, everybody is inspired by you, but there are a few downlines who tells me Priya ma'am is not achieving the GSS targets on her own. Why and how should she be the star of the week? I said, Nasibika, you know that I work on vision and strategies. He said, Priya, right now you have to do something to inspire your downlines. He exactly know where to talk to me and how to hit me. I went back. Till that, I prayed for my Mauna, only that Nasibika should be the best director and my team should go great. I changed my prayers. I said, oh God, I have to win GSS this week in a great way that my team is inspired and Nasibika is in less stress. And then I prayed and my brain worked. 5 months I've been consistently following Sarita, the Mrs. Kerala. She had excuses. I wanted her in the team because of the basic values she had: love, trust, and respect. I sincerely feel if you have these 3 values, rest can be trained. I called her up and said, will you join me? No, I said, you have to join me. She said, ma'am, I don't know anything. I said, it's fine. Do you love, trust, and respect me? She said, yes, ma'am, 100%. Then I said, come, I'll make you a princess. The best quality I saw in her is that she did it 100%. She loved, trusted, and respected me 100%. Ma'am, within 5 days, Padmaka, she has made it through QVI plan. She has made it to 14,000 BV, and she is a superstar. How do I forget Isha Farah Qureshi, the first lady whom I welcomed to the team after coming back, and she is Mrs. Universe, and she had made a great contribution of 6,000 BV. Isha, it values a lot to me, and thank you so much. Then I have Deepthi. My God, she's my dance friend for the past 10 years. She joined this only to keep me happy, and today I have her as one of the leader, and she did 2 directs for me, you know. And there comes another contribution in Akka. I took it my humble contribution by the QBI plan through Leta. Now, this is the work side of it. Now, talking about Vishnu, he is a great friend and he is a person who wants others to win. His loyalty to Nasibika is something very surprising. Vishnu, I love the way you support me. And Nasibika, you are my new hero and sincerely love to work with you. The sort of commitment you show and the sacrifice you take for Ocean is breathtaking. That is the only reason that I have kept my training passion aside and joined you. So Padmaka, what do I say? We are the hero of the week, and to be the hero of the week, I think you need to be focused on a greater vision, mission, and values of the company. And I'm so happy that you're going to give values so important for Ocean. My dear team, I strongly feel that if we stand together, Ocean can be the #1 Ocean is the #1 company. But let us all duplicate the strong values and skills of our leaders. I don't know if you guys know, I have worked in some of the best companies like KPMG, OPI, in Kerala also best companies, but I just love the people here, especially the way they handle you when you are in difficulty. breathtaking leaders, Padmaka. I don't know how you create them. And I'm blessed that my son is also being trained. Since he's not 18, he works in my mother's account. He works very hard for me. And without my downlines, my uplines, Ocean team, everybody who speaks during Ocean Connect, I would not be what I am today. Padmaka, I am blessed. And two heroes of my life, I sincerely love you all. And that's it. I'm humbled. Akka, I love you. Bye.